The Kenworth K-100 Cabover isn't just a truck, it's a time-tested icon of American highway culture, instantly recognizable for its flat-nose design and commanding road presence. Emerging in an era when length laws demanded compact but capable solutions, the K-100 quickly became the quintessential cabover for long-haul drivers, fleet operators, and trucking enthusiasts alike. Its tight turning radius, short overall length, and distinctive look made it not only a workhorse of practicality, but a symbol of trucking identity. From the 1960s through the early 2000s, at the heart of many K100s sat the legendary Cummins NTC400 or Caterpillar 3,406-inch, delivering between 350 to 475 horsepower with torque ratings exceeding 1,450 pounds-feet specs that gave these machines enough muscle to pull full loads across coast-to-coast routes. One of the K100's standout features was its tilt cab design, which allowed quick access to the engine bay for maintenance, critical for independent operators who needed uptime and reliability. The interior, while Spartan by modern standards, was robust and surprisingly roomy due to clever space-saving configurations. Sleeper versions, such as the Aerodynamic, introduced in the 1970s, revolutionized driver comfort with raised rooflines and twin skylight windows that became a hallmark of the model. Compared to the conventional Kenworth W or Peterbilt 3, the K100 prioritized maneuverability and reduced length, making it ideal for regional hauls and tight urban terminals. Yet it still retained that classic Kenworth's toughness and build quality that earned the brand its elite reputation. In a modern context, the K100 remains a beloved vintage truck with strong enthusiast support. Restored models now feature modern upgrades such as air ride suspension, updated transmissions like the Eaton-Fuller 8, and retrofitted interiors with digital gauges, climate control, and LED lighting, blending nostalgia with functionality. While cabovers have largely vanished from North American highways due to relaxed length laws and the rise of long-nose conventionals with smoother rides and better aerodynamics, the K100's image endures. It's celebrated in truck shows, restoration projects, and popular media as a reminder of when trucking was a respected profession. Looking to the future, the Kenworth K100 could see a revival not just as a collector's item, but potentially as a retro-inspired electric cabover platform for urban freight. With cities pushing for lower-emission vehicles and tighter delivery corridors, the compact form factor of a cabover could return in a reimagined form. Its iconic profile, updated with zero-emission tech, could represent both heritage and innovation in one package. Whether as a restored diesel beast or an electric rebirth, the K100 continues to turn heads and spark admiration. Its history isn't just preserved, it's lived, driven, and perhaps ready to evolve again for the roads of tomorrow.